Entrant, Elematic SA. Project name, Unity Fellowship Church, Eikenhof. Precast manufacturer, Elematic SA. Main contractor, China State Construction. Architect, Vitruvius Collective. Engineer, Vitruvius Collective. Owner Occupier, Unity Fellowship Church. Prestressed hollowcore concrete slabs, manufactured by Elematic SA, were used in an unusual design application for the construction of the roof of the Unity Fellowship Church in Eikenhof, south of Johannesburg. With its circular structure, the building presented a number of challenges and required meticulous design and attention to detail. Elematic's in-house engineers worked closely with the architectural and engineering design teams to ensure that each slab was correctly sized and sequenced for installation on site. The team that selected Elematic SA to supply slabs for this project did so for several reasons, which includes the superior quality of the concrete slabs, the dedicated support from the Elematic team, and the ability to save time and money on the project. A combination of well-coordinated teamwork and a high-quality manufacturing process yielded an excellent result.